Hello everyone, I'm Rajitha, working as Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department, SNS College of Technology. Today we're going to see about concept of rationality in part 1. So, what is rationality? This is the mind map for rationality. And rationality means making logical and reasonable decision instead of emotional decision. A rational person or AI system always think which action would produce the best outcome. For example, imagine you have two routes to college, and route A takes 20 minutes and route B takes 40 minutes. The rational student chooses route A because it saves time. Similarly, A also evaluate different options and select the best one. And types of rationality. Instrumental rationality, it focuses on choosing the best method to achieve a goal. Example, a delivery robot wants to deliver a package. It chooses the shortest and safest path. Its goal is delivery. Its method is selecting the best route. Episodic rationality, it focuses on forming correct beliefs based on evidence. For example, if weather data predict heavy rain, and then carry an umbrella as a rational decision because the decision is based on evidence. And the cognitive rationality, human don't always think perfectly. Sometimes we make quick decision called heuristic. Heuristics save time, but they can also create mistakes called bias. Example, suppose one student gets low marks once, we may quickly assume that the student is weak, but maybe the student was sick. This is a bias. System 1, fast thinking, and system 2, slow and logical thinking. A mainly follow logical thinking. So limits of rationality in real life, we can't always make perfect decision. Why? Because we have limited time, information, memory, and computing power. This is called bounded rationality. Example, when buying a laptop, there are hundreds of models. Instead of checking every laptop, most people choose one that satisfies their need. Not perfect, but good enough. So rationality in mortality. Rationality is also important in ethics. Before making a decision, we should think, is this fair for everyone? Example, during an online exam, copying answers may help one student, but it is unfair to others. A rational decision should also consider honesty and fairness. Empathy also help us make better moral decisions. And rationality in economics. Economics assume that people choose the option that gives the highest benefit. Example, suppose two mobile phones have similar feature. One cost is 20,000, another cost is 25,000. Most customers choose the cheaper one because it provides better value. However, behavioral economics tell us that people don't always act logically. Sometimes advertisement or emotions influence buying decision. So, rationality in everyday life is choosing the best study timetable and planning monthly expenses, selecting the fastest travel route, solving problems step by step, resolving conflict through decision. So, a system also perform similar logical decision making. In conclusion, rationality is the foundation of AI. A rational agent observe the environment, evaluate different choices, and select the action that gives the best result. Although humans may be influenced by emotions and limited information, AI system are designed to make decision logically based on available data. Understanding rationality help us design smarter AI system that solve problems efficiently and make better decision. So in this Conclusion, cultural variation, future directions. So different cultures may have varying interpretation of rationality, affecting how decisions are made and valued in diverse society. In future decision and promoting rational one. These are the mind map for rationality. These are my reference website. Thank you.